Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a DoorDash with me. I became a Dasher like a month ago, but I haven't made any deliveries, so I thought it would be fun to film my experience for the first time. I'm only going to do it for like 3 hours, but it's super busy right now, so I thought it would be fun to do it. So it's pretty busy. I live in Atlanta and it's a Saturday a little bit after 5 and it's game day, so I'm expecting it to be kind of busy. So we'll see how that goes. At 7 o'clock tonight, UGA is actually playing Alabama, so I feel like people might be ordering food for the game. I'm an Auburn fan, so we played South Carolina today and we actually lost, which is really embarrassing because we haven't lost to them since like the Prohibition or something like that. So a little salty, but it's fine. I will personally be going for the dogs for this game, so I hope that they can win because I absolutely hate Alabama. I went to Auburn, if you guys don't know, and I've been an Auburn fan my entire life. I just clicked Dash now, so I have a charged phone, I have enough gas, I have my red card. Okay, so it showed me a hotspot, so I'm actually gonna drive over there now and just kind of like wait and maybe I'll start getting orders. All right, kind of rushing. I already made my first delivery. It went well, but I accepted another delivery because they came back to back and I didn't realize I was supposed to pick it up before I delivered the last delivery. So now I'm like kind of late. So I'm gonna hurry over to Jersey Mike's now and pick that up. So update, currently sitting at a red light. I was not going to Jersey Mike's because I didn't accept that order. I actually was going to Five Guys and didn't realize it was in the same shopping center as my first order and that the location for this drop off is literally right next to the first order. So I just did a full circle. My lovely Five Guys for Michael E. At another red light, just completed my second order and now I'm going back over to like the hotspot area and hopefully I'll pick up some orders that way. So I've had 3 orders so far, but I've only accepted 2 and I wish I would have known that the pickups and the deliveries were right by each other before I literally completed both of those, so that was on me. But like I said, it's my first little dash. I might have to continue this into tomorrow because I feel like I'm not gonna get enough content. I don't know, maybe I'll end up doing it later tonight as well. But I started this at I think like 5:15, 5:20, and it is 6:32 right now. I also didn't bring myself a drink and I'm literally so thirsty. So it's actually the next day now. My camera ended up dying, so love that for me. I only did 3 orders yesterday and I was driving for about 2 hours. I wanted to drive for 3 hours, but then I got hungry and then I just went home. But I basically made $30, so I thought that was pretty good. All right, here are the stats. I made $29.25 out of 3 deliveries. The active time was like an hour and a half basically. And yeah, so this last order I could not find this restaurant and it was so embarrassing, but then I finally did. They tipped me $6, so we love that. I went to Five Guys, they tipped me $9. In my first order, the girl didn't even tip me, so kind of rude, but you know, it's fine. And I showed up like 10 minutes early, so hate that. I figured this video would be like super short, so I was like, might as well DoorDash today. And also I'm so excited because I ordered this thing off Amazon. It's this light pink car mount and you like click this button and it clips to your air vent. I thought this was so cool and I already put the magnet on there so it just like clicks like that and then you can like rotate it too. I also thought this would be super useful for me using Google Maps since I don't know where I'm going literally like 90% of the time. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, I love it. And then you can turn it that way. Okay, so I'll probably never turn it that way. So should I move it up? Let's try it up here. Ow! All right, so I had to move the camera because my phone was covering it up. And now I just realized I guess I could have moved my phone. But anyways, it was very easy to put on. I decided I like it a little bit lower on the air vent. Ripped off half my fingernails, so we don't love that. I promise I'm not flicking you off. But now I'm gonna go get some gas and then we're gonna start this DoorDash run. The lighting is just not it, but this is what we're dealing with right now. Ooh, I just got an order. Look at that. Okay, it's Flower Child, which is literally across the street from me. $10.50. Hell yeah, we're gonna accept it. We're already here, baby. Okay, we're getting a pickup of a steak plate, 2 steak plates. So I'm gonna drive across the street now and pick that up. I gotta deliver it within 15 minutes. So I love how I just turned the camera on and then we got this. But I've never been inside Flower Child before, so I'm glad. I kind of like this because I'm seeing new restaurants and things like that in areas I didn't know. finally secured the bag. It took insanely too long, so a little mad about that, but it's fine. So now we're on the way to Kanita to deliver her flower child. So I just completed that delivery. It was super easy. They're already waiting outside for me, so we love that. It's also like golden hour right now, so the lighting's like kind of okay, but kind of bad. So this little area has lots of like retail and shopping, and currently talking to my camera and this guy is staring at me. So I'm gonna pretend like, I don't even know. He's just staring at me, so I love that for me. So I'm waiting in this hotspot to see if I get any more orders. Hopefully I do. I'm literally directly across from the Crunch Fitness gym, which this is the one that's closest to me, and here's some tea. I applied to be a group fitness instructor for them, and they simply did not respond to me. Like, they followed me on Instagram and they posted that they were hiring, and I followed them back, and then I DM'd them and was like, oh my gosh, like, I used to teach group fitness classes all through college, like I really want to start back up again, and they simply did not respond. And am I hurt? Yes. Did I apply to a different Crunch Fitness? Yes. I just got a thing. Okay, Outback will accept it. So I guess I can't really continue ranting. All right, so this is like 2 minutes away, so I'll just drive over there. But the tea is the marketing agency that I work for. We actually do a lot of marketing for Crunch Fitness franchises, so I just thought that was funny. Like literally, like, let me help you help me. Yeah. Another order secured. I need to stop going in so early because I end up waiting like 15 minutes and it's really annoying, but on the way to deliver this to Hampton. So I just dropped off the Outback order and the guy was already waiting outside, which was super nice. So I actually just handed it to him, and then I went back to the hotspot, which is now like Outback. Like, when I was waiting there, they were getting so many to-go orders, so I'm just like kind of waiting for like another one to come through. So far I've made $28. There's a $2.50 delivery surge going on. The surge definitely helps you get more money. Each order I did was actually $10.50, so that would have been, you know, $21. But the last guy ended up giving me like a $7 tip, and so now I have $28. But so far I've made $57.25, so basically almost 60 bucks. I would say that's pretty good. It's 7:10 right now, and I was gonna dash until 8, but I don't know. I might just do one more order if I get one and then go home because I'm getting kind of tired and I'm getting hungry. I was gonna make this potato soup that I actually made like 2 weeks ago. It was so good. I got the recipe off of Pinterest and it just reminded me of like fall. Like, soups just remind me of fall time. I guess I can update you guys on my life right now. I love my new job. Thank you to everyone that congratulated me. I am a marketing coordinator for a marketing agency in Atlanta, if you didn't know, and I love it so far. I've finished my training, and this coming Wednesday, the 21st, will be my first full month of working there, so that is super exciting. If you're job hunting right now, keep applying to jobs. Apply to jobs you may not even be qualified for. I definitely did that. Entry-level jobs coming out of college are really hard to find because everyone wants all this experience. Like, a lot of the jobs I applied for, they wanted 3 to 5 years of experience, and I'm like, hello, I just graduated. Like, I have internship experience and college classes experience, so that can be very disheartening. But just keep applying, stay positive, everything's gonna work out. I'm sure you'll find a job if you're looking for one, and if you're graduating soon, start applying, and don't freak out if you don't get one before graduation or even right after graduation. I'm actually glad how my job hunting experience went because I ended up having a longer summer, like not having to work, and it was super relaxing. You never know what's gonna happen, and whatever's meant to be will be, which is so funny because the job I actually have now, I applied to in like late June, and I just never really heard back, and so I was like, oh, okay, like they don't want me. And then at the end of August, they reached out to me and they were like, hey, like this job is still open, and I was like, hey. Once they initially reached out, I had a phone interview, and then I had my first round interview, and then I had a second round final interview, and yeah, that was basically it. I got offered the job the day of my final interview, which is super exciting. I'm honestly gonna wait here like 5 more minutes, and if I don't get a delivery, I'm probably gonna go home. But also, I haven't been very consistent with my videos, and I'm hoping that will change. I know I said that like 2 videos ago, or maybe even the last video, but I did have a surprise happen that I haven't shared yet, and I'll be sharing soon in a video. I don't know when, but stay tuned for that. All right, so I'm gonna go to a different hotspot because it's really close to my apartment and see if I get any deliveries there, and if I don't, I'm just gonna simply go home. So here we go, on to the next hotspot. All right, I'm back home now. I ended my dash because I was being impatient and I'm really hungry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.